Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. I know guys, it's been like a huge long time since I posted on here. It's been a little bit over a month, but all of you have still been going crazy on the channel. Like, I know we just posted like a build walk around of the whole car and you guys have been going absolutely insane. All the POV drives I posted, you guys are loving the videos. Appreciate you all, even though it's all just for a Camry, but it does mean a lot to me. Appreciate all you guys. We're about to hit 2,000 subscribers on here at the moment of me recording this, but I am truly thankful for all of you. Love you all so much. And I am very sorry to stop the grind. I know I keep saying once a week uploads, but trust me guys, this is the last time I'll be saying it because I will continue to do. I might even do it 2 times a week, but I'm done slacking. I'm doing it once a week, twice a week. But as you guys see, we got the Camry here. And if you guys couldn't tell by the title, we are doing a similar video to the build walk around, but this time we're gonna go through how much everything cost. We're gonna go through how much everything cost, exactly where I got it from, how I put it on, who installed it, all that stuff. Just in case any of you 8th gen Camry owners or anybody that is looking to mod their car, you need help on how to install, where to get it from, all this good stuff, then we're gonna go through all that today for you guys. And again, shout out to all you guys. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, guys, with post notifications on, because we are gonna be posting bangers once a week, twice a week uploads coming soon for you guys. But yeah, we got the Camrys in the garage right here. We're about to hit a nice little cold start for you guys. Get it out the garage. It's gonna be a nice little chill video. We're gonna talk about how much every single part on my car costs. Walk on the whole car. It's not too clean, it's not too dirty either, so hopefully it looks good. If you guys do have any questions regarding anything about the car or anything in general, please feel free to comment down below or message me on Instagram, which is the same username on here. But yeah, man, let's get straight into it. Love you all. I'm glad I'm back to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, to start off with the video, we're gonna talk about the push start conversion kit. You guys know it's not a video if we don't start off with a cold start, and we're gonna do a remote start, which, as you guys know, is only possible because of KBTuning. It's literally the new key I got. It just looks just like OEM. But let's start this bad boy up. As you guys see, the left mirror signal is not working right now, but if we're working on getting that fixed. Is looking crazy, especially with those XC headlights. They're flat, they flash in the camera, which makes it look amazing. But yeah, man, the car is looking beefy, sitting in the garage right now at ride height. Don't mind all the pads and stuff all over the garage. But yeah, man, this thing is too loud. We're planning on getting it a little bit quieter, I'm not sure. But for those of you that don't know exactly what's onto the car, we're gonna go over all that today. Talk about all the labor costs, all the costs for all the parts, anything you guys need to know. We're gonna go through that in today's video, because I know a lot of you asked me on my full mod breakdown video exactly how much every single part was that I bought or that I did to the car, everything I did to the car. But yeah, man, we're gonna drive to a nice little quiet spot and get straight into it. At the time of me recording this video, it's daytime. So let me show you guys this first. You guys see the ambient lighting that goes all around the car on every door panel. The cup holders are messed up, we're getting that replaced. But let me open this back door, show you guys everything. Car is looking amazing with this ambient lighting kit. Let's get in the car, let's talk a little more. But if you guys are interested in purchasing the ambient lighting kit, don't mind my headliner, that's not even on the car. But if you guys are interested in purchasing the ambient lighting kit, go hit up KBTuning_ on Instagram, or you can check out their website. Look at the whole car, man. It's literally full. The interior is basically almost fully decked out, but we're not gonna go through yet. We're gonna go to the spot first, and then we're gonna walk through. We're gonna start with the exterior, and then we're gonna work our way into the interior. There's a button over here. We can press, turn it off, change the color, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, let's drive over to the spot, and we're gonna get straight into everything. I'm gonna start with the front. So, with the most obvious thing is gonna be the front lip, headlights, all the blacked out stuff in the front. So as you guys know, my car is a 2022 Toyota Camry SE. Does not come with all these gloss black pieces. The eyelet on the headlight. The headlight does not come stock on this car. This gloss black cover, the under headlight, the DRL, the grille. Everything on this car used to be a flat black or matte black finish. It was a weird looking thing, but we changed the grille to gloss black. There's a cover on that. This piece right here, the nose cover. You wrap the badge black, but it does have a two-tone yoke for V1 front lip. So let's talk about everything, like all the costs for the front. So I bought these headlights. They're OEM headlights. I bought it off of an XSC. He was buying some other aftermarket headlights, so I decided I was gonna cop his stock ones. I think I bought his headlights and his taillights. I got it for around, I think, 700 in total, or 700, 800 in total for both. Not exactly sure, but something around there. if you look on all these, websites, eBay, whatever, you'll find like my headlights have the gloss black housing because they're brand new, so they do cost a little more. But if you find the older ones, just the headlights are around like 500 if you get the chrome housing. But the DRLs, I got it from Toyota, which, I mean, I got it through KBTuning. They were able to give me a hookup at Toyota, but they were around, I think, $300. The grill cover, nose cover, it was 120. The wrap, got it from KBTuning as well. They were able to do it for me. Everything on my car was installed by KBTuning. Grill, headlights, DRLs, front lip, everything done to my car installed by KBTuning. The grill I got for around 150, 180, and all the parts that I'm gonna mention in this video, you guys can get from KBTuning. The housing, the gloss black housing with the DRL from KBTuning, the under headlights gloss black, the eyelets, everything from the front end done by KBTuning, front lip, everything. I bought the whole body kit as one thing. Came out to almost $1,000 for in total everything: the front lip, side skirts, and the diffuser. Not exactly sure how much each thing is separate, but I got it all together. I got the reflector wrap. I think they charged me like $40 for that. But let's go to the rims. The wheels and tires, these are not stock with the car. They are stock rims though. Comes off of an XSE. Got them for $1,200 for all four. You can get them from KBTuning as well. They got the hookup for basically everything. These gloss black M mirror cap replacements for $120 from KBTuning. I also got the turn signals. I forgot exactly how much I got those for. I think those are also around the same price for the caps, like $150 for both. But I told you guys about the side skirts. We got the door handle covers. Chrome delete kit was about $180 from KBTuning. Let's see what else we got. Roof spoiler I got for about $80. Got the KBTuning sticker right there. But taillight wrap, I forgot honestly how much I got these for. They came with the taillights. I just have no idea. But duckbill spoiler I got for $120 from KBTuning and installed by KBTuning. Let's talk about the performance parts. Let me move over here because the exhaust is way too loud. You guys probably can't even hear me. But let's talk about the exhaust. The Magnifook 19494 catback exhaust. I got it from brand new from the website. Got it for about I think with total and everything, with tax and everything, came up to around $1,300. I paid a shop to install it. It was, I think they charged me like $150 to install it. I also got the AEM cold air intake. Got it from the same guy. Installed by the same shop. He charged me about $80 to install that. But I should have went to KBTuning. I got scammed by the shop. They charged me way too much for all these parts installations. You guys can go hit up KBTuning. They'll install most of your parts. But I got the AEM intake as well for about, I think, almost $500. I got the weapon R headers for almost $1,000. Bought heat wrap for it, all that stuff. So everything costs quite a lot. Honestly, I won't even be able to come up with a total cost of everything. It's just too much stuff, like too much small little things to add. It's way too much. We also got a stage 2 tune with pops and bigs, a more aggressive tune, which cost me close to $1K as well. We got those tap here stickers for about $80 for both. Let's see what else we got. Oh, don't forget, we are on air suspension. This is my ride height. As you can see, we are just tucking this like very little tire, but car's looking good, man. Let's step back. Let's get a little thumbnail. This is gonna be thumbnail of the video, but yeah, man, this thing is looking good. I don't know what else I'm forgetting. Oh, the tint. The tint is all, the rear is 5% on top of 20, so it's double tint. The front is 20 on top of 20. The front windshield is 35%. Yeah, man. The roof wrap cost me about, I think it was about around $800, $900 for the roof wrap. It is ceramic coated as well. I told you guys about the chrome delete as well. It was $180. The M mirror caps. Honestly, I don't know what I'm forgetting, man. I told you guys about the body kit, wheels, air suspension, all the performance parts, tail lights, the fuse part of the body kit. This gloss black trunk bar came off of a black Camry, so don't think that's some like aftermarket thing. But yeah, don't forget the reflector lights as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we got the reflector lights done. These are just XSE tail lights that are tinted. Yeah, window tint. And then I guess now we'll get into the interior, but I feel like I'm gonna hold off on the interior and just wait till it's dark outside and then do the interior. But yeah, man, if you guys have any questions, if I did forget anything, please let me know. You can ask me where I got something, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is for the exterior so far. Honestly, if anybody's keeping count, let me know how much it came out to in the comments. But yeah, man, I'm just gonna keep walking around, see if I forgot anything. The brakes are all stock. The wheels are stock, other than changing it to the XSE wheels and tires. But yeah, man. All right, as you guys see, I turned the flash so you guys could be able to see the carbon fiber a little bit better. But this steering wheel will have carbon everywhere, basically. KBTuning right there. Matching shift knob. We got the ambient lighting. But for this exact steering wheel with the paddle shifters and the matching shift knob, came out to about $1,200 something for everything. I got the ambient lighting kit, RGB flow series, for about $450 or I think around $500. I got the dash panels from KBTuning as well. It's fully OEM. They got the hookup. I think got it for like $600, $700, or $800, something around there. All 4 red door panels for about $1,000 to $1,200. What else is in here? We got the red seats. Honestly, I forgot the price on those, but you guys know those are gonna be pretty expensive. But we got a whole bunch more. As you can see, my headline is literally off. We got a whole bunch more coming for this car. For the interior, we got the last fit floor mats. What else do we even have, man? We got eco mode, sport, normal mode, sport mode. This came from, no, I'm just kidding, this is stock. But yeah, man, if you guys have any questions regarding the car, let me know in the comments down below. But I know what you guys been wanting to see. We are aired out right now. As you guys see, we're at 0 PSI. Let's get out the car, show you guys what the car looks like being aired out. Damn, look at her, man. She is too low. But the M mirror cap just makes the car look 10 times better. Let's do a quick walk around of how the car looks. Damn, man, this definitely got to be the thumbnail right here. Hold on, let me get all the way back. Okay, I just got my new thumbnail. This thing is looking crazy. Let me get the other side. Damn, man, look at the rear is tucked in crazy. Let's get the back for you guys. Look at this thing, man. It looks too good. Let me know in the comments on what you guys think, man. Damn. That's what the other side's looking like. Let's sit down on this curb right here to get a little quick thumbnail. Holy shit. Let's back up. This thing looks insane. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what type of video you guys want to see me do next. But if you guys did enjoy, like the video, subscribe if you are new. There's a huge percentage of you guys that are not subscribed. I'd appreciate it from all you guys. We're about to hit 2,000 subscribers on here. Literally like 4 or 5 videos ago, I was asking you guys for 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy. But yeah, man, look at this thing, aired out. Looks amazing, man. But if you guys have any questions, if I did leave anything out, please feel free to ask me in the comments or DM me on Instagram, like, hey, where'd you get this? Blah, blah, blah. More than happy to help you guys out. But yeah, man, love you all so much. Thank you guys so much for the support. And as always, we're going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.